Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study whole night with full concentration. First, prepare your environment by eliminating distractions like your phone and unnecessary tabs. Gather all your study materials, including notes and pens, to avoid interruptions. Before you begin, set clear, achievable goals for what you want to accomplish. This structured approach helps you maximize your focus and productivity from the start. To maintain peak concentration, employ techniques like the Pomodoro method. Study intensely for 25 to 45 minutes, then take a short 5 to 10-minute break. Break down your larger study goals into smaller, more manageable chunks to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Actively engage with the material by summarizing it in your own words or even trying to teach it to an imaginary audience. This keeps your brain stimulated and improves retention. Your physical environment significantly impacts alertness. Ensure your study space is brightly lit, ideally with cool white light, to signal wakefulness to your brain. Staying well hydrated is crucial. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip frequently to prevent fatigue and headaches. Incorporate short, active breaks every 30 to 50 minutes. Stand up, stretch, or walk around for a few minutes to boost blood flow and refresh your mind. To sustain your energy, avoid heavy meals that can cause sluggishness. Instead, choose light, healthy snacks such as nuts, fruit, or a protein bar. Chewing gum can also help keep your brain active and alert during long sessions. Remember, consistency is key, so try to establish a routine. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.